Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and I have been loving using this frankincense and tallow face balm from R&R Collective.
I know how important it is to take care of your skin. However, I am notoriously bad at it, but I love finding products that are simple and effective. And this is definitely that. It is gentle and it is good on everyone's skin. It is made with some really incredible things. And I find it to just be really, really effective in taking care of my skin. A little bit really goes a long way, and I've been using this for a while now, and it looks like I've barely made a dent in the jar. I enjoy how it feels, how simple it is to go on, and it really does make my skin feel absolutely fantastic. I've made this part of my nightly routine, putting some on right before I go to bed, and I feel fantastic and wake up looking great.
If you're looking for something that is nourishing for your skin, you are going to love this face balm. I know I have been, and that is my point of view.